Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Building Automation Specialists, your go-to channel for all things related to the building automations industry. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated on our informative content.
Today, we're delving into an essential but often overlooked aspect of HVAC systems: air balancing, understanding its significance and how it's achieved. Air balancing, as some of you may already know, is the process of optimizing an HVAC system to ensure an even distribution of air across your residential or commercial premises. This optimization is critical for several reasons, and we're about to delve into why. First up, we have the aspect of comfort. Without proper air balancing, you might experience certain areas in your space being too cold or too hot. Correct air balancing ensures every room in your space maintains the perfect temperature for optimal comfort. Next up is the topic of energy efficiency. When your HVAC system is unbalanced, it works extra hard to heat or cool specific areas, leading to significant energy wastage and, subsequently, higher utility bills. A balanced system, however, saves both energy and money. Lastly, air balancing contributes to the lifespan of your HVAC system. An overworked system due to imbalance can cause premature wear and tear. Regular air balancing reduces this undue strain, promoting the longevity of your HVAC equipment. Having understood its importance, let's quickly touch upon how air balancing is achieved. Air balancing isn't a DIY job and should be undertaken by professional HVAC technicians. Air balancing is a professional job that involves several steps. These include airflow measurement. Using specialized tools, HVAC technicians measure the amount of air each vent is supplying. System analysis. This involves studying the duct system design and layout, considering factors like building structure, insulation, and potential air leakage points. Airflow adjustment. Technicians will adjust dampers within the ductwork to balance airflow. In some cases, they might need to resize or modify the ductwork. System recheck. After making adjustments, the technician will recheck the entire system to ensure it's now balanced and functioning optimally. Hopefully, you now appreciate why air balancing is essential for comfort, energy efficiency, and the life of your HVAC system. If this video has been useful, please hit the like button and share it with those who may benefit from it. We would love to hear from you, so do drop us a comment below if you have any questions or any specific topics you'd like us to discuss in future videos. Until next time, stay balanced. Thanks for watching.